remember when I mentioned net worth earlier, it is fundamental key of building wealth. Net worth is equal to total assets minus total liabilities. Okay, this is a formula, remember this. And an asset is anything that you owe much, which maintains value and can bring you future cash flow. Okay, a liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. When you look at your expenses, are you acquiring assets or liabilities? You need to understand these things, that are you acquiring liabilities or you're acquiring assets. So you need to invest your time, your resources into something intelligent, like you need to make intelligent decisions. Realize financial independence is possible only when you track your net worth, maximize your income, minimize your liabilities, and make money works for you in your business, in your investments. So you need to track, analyze always. Okay, so this is how you will achieve independence of finance. Minimizing liabilities is like, if you're giving rent, you should buy a home. Heating, electricity, utility, these are expenses, liabilities. Food expenses, loan expenses, loan interest, NPA loan, insurance costs, mortgage payments, uncertainty expense. Liabilities are the reasons why you work hard. Don't feel any richer for it.